This tutorial will show you how to connect PowerBI to your UniPhi deployment. First, open the template you downloaded from uniphi.com.au, link in the description. Press Transform Data. Change the URL to your deployment's URL. You will see the endpoints updating on the left once you change it. Once updated, click on one of the endpoints and press Edit Credentials. Use basic authentication and enter your UniPhi username and password. Press Connect. This may take a few minutes. Also note that if you enter the wrong password, your UniPhi account will be locked out and you will have to contact a system administrator to unlock your account. Once connected, press Close and Apply. Now you will see the reports updating with your data. Thanks for watching this UniPhi tutorial. For more information, use any of these contact methods.